Level up your coding skills. 12 free video games to learn CSS, Python, JavaScript, and more. Learn coding through video games for free, and it's one of the best ways to learn coding. Here are 12 games to learn CSS, Python, JavaScript, and more. 1. Flexbox Froggy. To grasp the concept of Flexbox in CSS, flexboxfroggy.com. 2. SQL Murder Mystery. Learn SQL by solving a crime, mystery.nightlab.com. 3. Code & Game. It is the gaming platform for programmers. Solve programming puzzles, improve your skills, compete in contests, have fun, codingaim.com. 4. Scratch. MIT Scratch is a block-based programming language where you can learn about events, conditionals, variables, and more by building your own games and animations. Watch the introduction to the Pong game tutorial from Scratch, scratch.mit.edu. 5. Screeps. To learn JavaScript, screeps.com. 6. Checkio. To learn Python and TypeScript, checkio.org. 7. CryptoZombies. To learn how to code for the blockchain, cryptozombies.io. 8. CSS Diner. CSS Diner is a very nice place to let you learn CSS very fast. You're about to learn CSS selectors. Selectors are how you pick which element to apply styles to, flukeout.github.io. 9. Code Combat, a very fun game, in Spanish, to learn Python, JavaScript, and C, codecoembat.com. 10. Code Wars. Learn a wide range of languages, including Python, JavaScript, and more, by competing against other players, codedoers.com. 11. Tinker. This is a site where you can build projects and play games using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and Java. They have an extensive list of projects, algorithms, and data structure challenges, tinker.com. 12. Elevator Saga, a comprehensive game to learn JavaScript, play.elevatorsaga.com.